Hello everyone. Have you ever noticed how quickly clothes can wear out if they are not taken care of properly? In this lecture, we will cover practical tips for maintaining your wardrobe, from washing and storing to small repairs. We will also learn how to keep your business casual clothes in great shape, extending their life and saving you money in the long run. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to use proper washing and storage techniques to keep clothes in good condition. Make simple repairs that prolong the life of your wardrobe. Understand the importance of garment care in maintaining a professional appearance. Different fabrics require different washing techniques, and knowing how to wash each type correctly can keep your clothes looking new. Here is a quick overview of care methods for common business casual fabrics. Cotton. Machine washable on gentle cycle. Use cold water to prevent shrinking and keep colors vibrant. Wool. Avoid machine washing. Wool should be dry cleaned or hand washed in cold water. Lay flat to dry to maintain its shape. Polyester blends. Machine washable in cold water on a gentle cycle. Polyester holds up well to regular washing but should be air dried to prevent wrinkles. Linen. Wash on gentle cycle or by hand. Linen can wrinkle easily, so remove it from the dryer while slightly damp and hang it up to air dry. Think of your wardrobe as a garden that needs regular care. Just as plants thrive with proper watering, sunlight, and pruning, your clothes look their best with regular washing, storage, and repairs. Neglecting any of these can cause a wardrobe to wilt, while consistent care keeps it fresh, vibrant, and ready to wear. How you store your clothes can also impact their lifespan. For business casual pieces, consider these storage tips. Hangers. Use quality hangers for items like blazers, jackets, and trousers to help them keep their shape. Padded or wooden hangers are ideal, as wire hangers can distort the fabric. Folding. Fold knit items like sweaters to avoid stretching. Store them on a flat surface rather than hanging, which can cause them to lose their shape. Closet space. Make sure your closet isn't overcrowded. Clothes need space to breathe to prevent wrinkles and allow air circulation, which helps prevent musty odors. Professional organizer. Marie Kondo suggests that proper storage brings longevity and clarity to your wardrobe. She emphasizes that organized storage not only keeps clothes in good shape, but also makes it easier to find and use each item effectively. Not every item needs to be washed after a single wear, especially outer layers like blazers or cardigans. Here are a few methods for keeping clothes fresh between wears. Air drying. Hanging clothes in a well-ventilated area after wearing to air out odors. Fabric fresheners. Use a fabric freshener spray or lightly steam garments to fresh them up. Spot cleaning. For minor spots or stains, use a small cloth with a mild detergent to clean the affected area without washing the whole garment. Sometimes a small repair can give your clothes a new lease on life. Here are a few easy repairs you can learn to do yourself. Loose buttons. Sew a loose button back on with a needle and thread. It takes just a few minutes and keeps your shirt or jacket wearable. Hems and seams. Small tears in hems or seams are easy to fix with a few stitches. Keeping a basic sewing kit on hand is helpful for these quick fixes. Lint and pilling. Use a lint roller or a fabric shaver to remove lint and pilling from sweaters and pants. This will instantly refresh the appearance of your clothes. Tailor Erica Thomas says that knowing a few simple repairs can save your clothes and your budget. She advises taking care of minor issues as soon as they appear, as waiting can cause the problem to worsen, sometimes beyond easy repair. As seasons change, so do our wardrobes. Caring for off-season clothes properly before storing them away can make a big difference in their longevity. Cleaning before storing. Clean your clothes before storing them for the season. Dirt or stains can set over time and attract pests. Storage containers. Use breathable storage bags or fabric bins for clothes you won't be wearing for a while. Avoid plastic bags as they can trap moisture and lead to mildew. Moth protection. For wool and other natural fibers, add cedar blocks or lavender sashes to your storage to prevent moths from damaging the fabric. Take a look at how you currently store your clothes. Identify any items that could be folded or hung differently and organize them for better longevity and accessibility. To sum up, caring for your clothes not only extends their life but also keeps your wardrobe looking professional and well kept. Let's have a recap of this lecture. In this lecture, we covered essential tips for caring for your business casual wardrobe. Let's discuss what's one care technique that you use that helps keep your clothes looking new. Feel free to share your experiences in the comment section. That was all about this lecture. See you in the next one.